Maintenance procedure of the workplace. According to LADIA 2012, maintenance is work that is done regularly to keep tools, equipment, and facilities in good condition and working order. We need to learn the different kinds of maintenance in order to identify the activities and proper procedures in the management of facilities as well as of the time, money and materials involved. A good handling procedure should be observed by each worker to prevent the occurrence of accident and wastage. Type of workplace maintenance. 1. Preventive maintenance, performed to prevent or find defects of tools, equipment and facilities before they develop into a breakdown. 2. Corrective maintenance, maintenance tasks initiated as a result of the observed condition of an asset or system, before or after functional failure to correct a problem. It is performed to repair, restore, replace or correct a failure. 3. Emergency maintenance, maintenance performed to put the item on hand immediately to avoid serious consequences, such as loss of production, disrupt schedule, extensive to assets, idle worker or for safety reasons. General cleaning procedures in the farm. The farmer and/or farm workers responsible for cleaning must adhere as much as possible to the following procedures. Be properly trained on the cleaning procedures. Develop a cleaning program and schedule according to the recommended frequency, and the cleaning program should be monitored to ensure its effectiveness. Water that is used for cleaning must be safe. The cleaning of equipment, tools, and containers must take place in a designated area away from field and the storage of agricultural inputs and fresh vegetables. When using cleaning and disinfection chemicals, the farmer and/or farm workers must become familiar with the instruction use of these products. Strictly adhere to all precautionary statements and mixing instructions. Cleaning reusable containers. The farmer and/or farm workers responsible for cleaning reusable containers must adhere as much as possible to the following procedures. Remove as much as possible plant debris, soil, and residues of any kind. Use a brush or appropriate tool when necessary. Inspect containers for physical damage which might injure, spoil, and contaminate fresh vegetables. If found, repair them. Inspect containers for any missed plant debris, soil and residues. If found, re-clean. If cleaning and/or disinfection chemicals are used, follow label instructions for mixing. Rinse containers with clean water. When possible, containers should be placed in the full sun for rapid drying. Store reusable containers properly to avoid contamination. Cleaning hygienic facilities. The farmer and/or farm workers responsible for cleaning hygienic facilities must adhere as much as possible to the following procedures. Pick up trash from the floors and put in a trash can. By using the proper detergent, clean toilets, sinks, and any other fixtures. Using low-pressure water, rinse the entire floor surface to remove any soil buildup. If cleaning and/or disinfection chemicals are used, follow label instructions for mixing. As required, apply cleaning materials or disinfection chemicals to entire floor surface area. Scrub areas with brush if needed, and ensure that no spots are missed. Rinse floor and drains. Remove excess water and allow drying out at room temperature. Ensure that hygienic facilities have enough toilet paper, soap, and disposable towel. Reminder: when performing cleaning of the workplace, observe safety precautions by wearing the personal protective equipment or PPE prescribed by the employer. Hazard and risk in the workplace. Many hazards are present in the farm. If the farmers are not aware of these hazards, these may cause injury to their body or may cause diseases and even death. Farmers should always apply appropriate safety measures while working in the farm. Hazard is the potential for harm or an adverse effect, for example, to people as health effects, to organizations as property or equipment losses, or to the environment. Hazards may include: 1. Mechanical hazards, related to the maintenance of machinery, such as crushing, entanglement and high-pressure fluid injection. 2. Electrical hazards, when working with defective equipment or during maintenance of electrical installations and equipment, or repair of broken electric fences. 3. Chemical hazards, related to the use of dangerous substances during maintenance, or maintenance of equipment containing dangerous substances. 4. Physical hazards, fire or explosion hazard during maintenance of facilities or equipment containing dangerous and explosive substances such as tanks, bins and silos, or fuel tanks, working in confined spaces, falls from height, slip and trips. 5. Biological hazards, such as dust, insects and pests. 6. Ergonomic hazards, such as awkward postures, poorly designed tools. When people are exposed with hazard, his life may be in danger or harm. This is called risk. Risk is the likelihood that a hazard may cause injury, ill or sudden death to a person at workplace. Risk assessment. A risk assessment is a systematic method of checking work activities and studying where things could go wrong in the workplace. Helps with deciding what safety measures should be applied to avoid any injuries. Identify the hazard. First step to do to reduce the risk. Assess the risk associated with the hazard, gathering of data or report. Control the risk, establishing and maintaining a good. Review the process, an action to consider to know if the control measures are successful. From our daily activities in the nursery area, we accumulated dirt and waste. But if we follow the routine standard, we can achieve a high standard of cleanliness and maintenance in our farm. As in addition to attain our goal, we could practice also the 5S. The 5S. The philosophy of 5S represents a way of focusing and thinking in order to better organize and manage workspace, specifically by eliminating the wastes accumulated from regular activities. Serie or sort, taking out and disposing of unnecessary items. Satan or systematize, arranging tools, equipment, and materials in order for the easiest and most efficient access. Saiso or sweep, cleaning even if things are not dirty. Seikatsu or standardize, maintaining the workplace in high standard housekeeping. Shitsuke or self-discipline, doing things spontaneously without being told. Main benefits of implementing 5S are: the workplace becomes cleaner, safer, well-organized and more pleasant. Floor space utilization is improved. Workflow becomes smoother and more systematic, and non-value-added activities are reduced. Time for searching tools, materials and document is minimized. Machine breakdowns are reduced since clean and well-maintained equipment breaks down less frequently, and it also becomes easier to diagnose and repair before breakdowns occur, therefore extending equipment life. Errors are minimized, leading to making defect-free products. Consumables and material wastage are minimized. The morale and satisfaction of employees improves, and the productivity of the organization improves together with the quality of products and services. Any routine maintenance activity in the workplace should follow the standard of the Occupational Safety and Health Procedure, OHSP, which was prescribed by the labor law to keep the workers safe and healthy when he or she is at the workplace. If this video was helpful, please leave a like or subscribe. Thank you for watching.